हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आपका टॉपिक है कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स और इनकी एक केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी है इंपॉर्टेंट, डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन। डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन, डी का मतलब है रिमूवल। जैसे आप पढ़ते हैं डिहाइड्रेशन मीन्स रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर, डिहाइड्रोजनेशन मीन्स रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन। इन द सेम वे decarboxylation means removal of CO2, carbon dioxide. So the definition becomes the process of removal of CO2 from carboxylic acid to form alkane is called decarboxylation. Now see, carboxylic acid has general formula. Carboxylic acids have formula RCOOH. When you remove CO2 in carboxylic acid, so what happens? After removal of CO2 it becomes RH, and RH means alkyl group में हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर दें, it becomes alkane. So when decarboxylation of carboxylic acid takes place, alkanes are formed. So how to decarboxylate a carboxylic acid? करें कैसे, उसके लिए मेथड क्या है? कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में से CO2 कौन से मेथड से निकाल सकते हैं? So there are two methods of decarboxylation. One method is soda lime method and another method is called coal base electrolysis. In soda lime method, carboxylic acid directly are not taken. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का आपको क्या बनाना है? सॉल्ट बनाना है। एसिड का सॉल्ट कैसे बनेगा? एसिड्स आर रिएक्टेड विद बेस टू फॉर्म सॉल्ट. So acids are first reacted with sodium hydroxide or any other base to form salt. So this is the salt of acetic acid, CH3COONA. Salt of carboxylic acid is reacted with soda lime, heated with soda lime. Soda means NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and lime means calcium oxide. Lime is used to dry sodium hydroxide only. So when it is heated, what happens? Alkanes are formed. CO2 is removed, sodium carbonate is removed, and CH4 is formed. Alkane is formed. See another aromatic example also. This is sodium salt of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid formula COOH, and benzoic acid sodium derivative becomes sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate reacted with sodium hydroxide to form benzene. This is very important reaction. So first method of decarboxylation is soda lime method. The sodium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime. Now there is second method for decarboxylation by coal base electrolysis. Electrolysis means we pass electricity in solution. So aqueous solution is required for passing electricity. Again here sodium salt is taken and this sodium salt is dissolved in water so that electrolysis may be taken place. So sodium salt of carboxylic acid dissolved in water and then it is electrolyzed. That is, two electrodes are dipped, anode and cathode. So when electrolysis takes place, what happens? Sodium acetate, suppose this is acetic acid sodium salt, it is ionized into acetate ion and sodium ion. But water also ionizes as hydrogen ion and OH ion. Now there are two negative ions and two positive ions. At anode, oxidation takes place. So negative ions goes to anode, but there are two and negative charges. So oxidation potential of acetate ion is greater than OH ion. So acetate ion is preferentially oxidized to form ethane. So loss of electron, you know, oxidation means loss of electron. Loss of electron takes place here and oxidation takes place. Acetate ion or at anode form ethane. Then at cathode there are two positive ions, sodium ion and hydrogen ion. Potential of hydrogen is greater than that of sodium. Hydrogen 0, sodium in minus. So hydrogen ions are preferentially reduced and gain electron, undergo reduction. After gaining electron they form hydrogen gas. It means anode alkanes are formed and cathode hydrogen gas is liberated. So there are two methods of decarboxylation, soda lime method and coal-based electrolysis method. What is the difference between the two methods? Here we get similar corresponding alkane. That is, when you take alkyl group methyl, methane is formed. When you take ethyl, here ethane is formed. So corresponding alkyl group is converted into alkane. Then here you are seeing that when you take CH3, you get here CH3. It means higher alkanes are formed. So remember, when you want to prepare corresponding alkane from carboxylic acid, then soda lime method is used, and when you want to prepare higher alkane from carboxylic acid, then coal-based electrolysis is used. So decarboxylation means removal of CO2 from carboxylic acid, and when removal of CO2 takes place, alkanes are formed. There are two methods of decarboxylation: soda lime method and coal-based electrolysis method. In soda lime method, sodium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime, while in coal-based electrolysis, sodium salt of carboxylic acid is dissolved in water and then electricity is passed and alkanes are obtained at anode. At cathode we get hydrogen gas. So this is important property, one of the important property of carboxylic acid, that carboxylic acid undergo decarboxylation. The next property in which carboxylic acid react is reduction of carboxylic acid. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. This is carboxylic acid, carboxylic group, when it is reacted with lithium aluminum hydride. This is a very good reducing agent. So reduction takes place. Carboxylic group is converted into primary alcoholic group. This is opposite to oxidation. You have studied in alcohols that primary alcohols are oxidized to carboxylic acid. Opposite to that, reduction. Carboxylic acids are reduced to primary alcohol. Carboxylic group is converted into primary alcoholic group. For example, when you take acetic acid, in the same presence you will get ethanol. And when you take benzoic acid, then you get benzyl alcohol, CH2OH. So these two property, decarboxylation of carboxylic acid and reduction, belongs to reaction due to carboxylic group or COOH group, in which R remains intact but COOH group take part. Now we will discuss next property in the next turn, that carboxylic acid remains the same but alkyl group take part in reaction. That is, out of R COOH remain intact but R reacts with the reagent. That is called a very important name reaction, HB-Z reaction. We will discuss in next class.